Education is not the preparation for life. Education is life itself. Respected chairperson, guests, board of directors, teachers, staff, my dear colleagues and brother and sister. A very warm good morning and namaste to everyone. It's me Dolma Guru from class 12. And it's a great honor to stand here today. We've gathered for a truly special occasion to say a heartfelt goodbye to our seniors and to extend a very warm welcome to our juniors. A very well-established and a reputed college, Braden Education Foundation, established in 2057 BS, located at Samakushi, Kathmandu, has served about its 25th batch. And the results are fruitful. Here at Braden, you will have wonderful opportunities with the inter-district students of Jharpa in the east and the district of Kanchanpur in the west. With a history of academic excellence spanning more than 2 decades and with the expertise and experience of a professional academic team, you will be guided through the best path building of your life. This institution always ensures that every student gain in-depth knowledge and practical experience. But what truly sets Braden apart is its vibrant and dynamic environment where learning is blended with extracurricular activities. Whether it's competitive sports, cultural events, or innovative projects, every opportunity here is designed to help us evolve into a well-rounded individuals. Similarly, my experience at Braden has been very wonderful till now. I've learned a lot of things, not just academically, but in all other aspects of career development. The motivation of the faculty member has enlightened me throughout this wonderful journey. I've never regretted choosing Braden. Talking about our seniors, they have been an incredible part of our college. Their dedication and contribution has been an inspiration to all of us. Our graduating seniors have not just completed their degrees, but they have become our college legacy. As they go out into the world, they will carry the values, knowledge, and friendship that defines this institution. We all are excited to see the great achievements that they will further achieve. On behalf of Grade 12, I want to sincerely thank you for everything. As you embark on your new journey, we wish you nothing but the best. Now, as one door closes, another one opens. So, we are incredibly excited to welcome our new juniors who will be the part of our Braden family. This is a place where you will discover your new passion, unbreakable bond, and learn what you are truly capable of. I can promise you that when you will graduate, you will be a better person. Because I have felt personally that Braden has not just provided me with knowledge, but skill and confidence to take on the future challenges with determination. With the best education services, Braden will ensure your quality education life. This year is full of opportunities for you. It's a chance to build on everything that you have learned and to truly shape your academic and personal journey. I can't wait to see the incredible things that you will accomplish as you continue to grow and define your legacy here. It's a little bittersweet moment for us, but everything happens for a reason. So let's just celebrate the moment right now. Once again, thanks to our seniors for everything and a very warm welcome to our juniors. Thank you all for being here today.